This is NexTechie Autonomo, the brief, your essential briefing on the intersection of automation, AI, and robotics. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the commercial rise of humanoid robots. You know, as of February 2026, we've officially crossed that crazy threshold from theoretical sci-fi projects to actual, real-world commercial application, with major heavyweights literally deploying bipedal and quadruped robots into the workforce and consumer market this very week. First, let's look at the factory floor, because Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada just formalized a landmark deal with Agility Robotics to deploy 7 humanoid robots right at their Ontario plant. But the real game changer here, it's their business strategy. They're going with a robots-as-a-service model, which completely shifts those massive upfront capital costs into a much safer operational expense, basically de-risking the whole shebang. Second, we're seeing this massive shift from the factory straight to the dealership. EV maker Faraday Future just started delivering their Embodied AI line. And here's the twist. They're actually selling these humanoids and robot dogs at US auto dealers alongside their cars. It's a super clever strategy to generate immediate cash flow to keep their core car manufacturing business running smoothly. Finally, investment giant Shouchan Holdings is taking this tech directly to the public square. They've launched these high-traffic experience hubs in places like Beijing's capital airport to let ordinary folks actually touch and interact with service robots. This is absolutely crucial for normalizing the tech and building real public trust for mass adoption. So, whether it's on the assembly line, in car showrooms, or literally at the mall, advanced robotics have successfully pivoted into viable commercial products with the smart business models to match. Keep your eyes open, because you might just see a robot clocking in right next to you at your workplace very soon.
This was NexTechie Autonomo, the brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.